Hello everyone, I thought it would be fun to do an elephant today. Remember, I'm using a marker, but you should use a pencil. And we're going to start with the ear. It's a backwards C. And then we're going to go over and do the head and trunk. The trunk is a J shape. And we'll connect it all back to the ear like this. Now we're going to start drawing the body. Elephants have 4 legs, but since we're drawing from the side, we'll only be able to see 2. I'm going to start drawing the back and tail like this. And we'll connect it back to the back of the leg. And of course, you need to add those little hairs for the tail. Elephants have toenails, so we're going to add like an M shape on the feet. And of course, our elephant needs to see, so we'll be adding an eye. And our elephant needs to be able to smell as well, so we're going to give it a nostril over on the trunk. There we go. And we're going to add a tusk. Not all elephants have tusks, but most do. So elephants can be found in the wild on 2 continents. They are on Africa over here, and they're also in Asia over here. So you're going to draw the area around the elephant differently depending on whether you're doing an African elephant or an Asian elephant. I'm going to draw an African elephant, so I'm going to draw it with flat yellow grass. So we're just going to add a line across for the grass. And I'm going to add a couple of clouds in the sky. Elephants are actually the biggest animal on land. They can grow up to 12 feet tall. And before I forget, I'm just going to sign my name and add the date over here in the corner. Now it's time to color. Of course, you can color yours any way you want, but I'm going to make my elephant gray, just like you would see it in the wild. They have very tough skin, and they actually cover themselves in dirt and mud so that they don't get sunburned. Just trying to find my crayon. There we go. Elephants eat plants like grass and fruit. We have a special word for that. They're called herbivores. Just like you would call someone who didn't eat meat a vegetarian. Elephants eat actually between 12 and 18 hours a day, so practically all day. And they travel in herds, meaning a lot of people, a lot of elephants. Usually it's the girls, the females, and the children in one herd, and then the males go off on their own. And they're what we call endangered, which means there's not that many of them, so we have to do our best to protect them. Just finishing up with the gray here. Want to take my time, make sure I do a good job coloring. There we go. Now I'm going to draw the tip of the tail black. There we go. And I'm going to color the tip of the trunk pink. Elephants use their trunks a lot like the way we use our hands. Okay, now since my elephant is in Africa, I'm going to color the ground yellow because it's supposed to be savanna grass, which is kind of yellow. Other animals that live near elephants in Africa would be lions and giraffes. If you knew how to draw those, you might want to draw one of those in your picture as well. Since it's going to take me a little while to finish coloring, I'm just going to pause the video and I'll come back when I'm finished. Ta-da! Here we go. I colored the sky blue and I finished coloring the ground. And there we have our elephant. I hope you guys had fun. I sure did, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day.